Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have for sale this stunning Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So this one is a 2021 but on a 71 plate, so one of the later registered bikes. It's on 7,171 miles from new. It's got the little flyscreen extender on there. It's got the Evotech protection on the bottom of the forks, the middle of the bike for the sliding, and also the back as well. It's got the Evotech radiator guard. It's got bits of carbon fibre all over it. It's got the seat cowl. It's got the tail tidy. It's got the Triumph heated grips, the Triumph billet caps, the Triumph billet indicators, so it's covered top to bottom in loads and loads of tasty bits. Being the RS, you do get those Showa front forks, the Ohlins rear shock, and also the Brembo brakes. You get the full colour TFT display. You also get the LED lights on there as well. And this will be in a 2020 onwards bike, has a Moto 2 engine in there, and you also get a blipper as well as a quickshifter. So amazing bike, really popular sellers down here. So if you do fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought.
Hi, my name's Nick and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. Our guys are really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it, thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.